I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your Dell is awake and you're signed in with an account that can change power settings. Once ready, check battery level and plug in if it's below 5% to avoid interruptions. Now open the Start menu, type Settings, and press Enter to jump into System Options. Make sure Wi-Fi or Ethernet is active only if you plan to sync power policies. This gets you immediately into the right control center so you can flip Battery Saver on. Once in Settings, click System and then Power and Battery to expose battery controls. This is where Windows centralizes power options. Scroll to the Battery Saver section and inspect the toggle and drop-down for the Automatic Enable threshold, commonly at 20%. Change the slider or choose a different percent if you want earlier activation. If you prefer manual control, keep the automatic rule off and use the toggle. These steps control both immediate. Now turn Battery Saver on or set the automatic threshold to the percent you want. This reduces background activity and typically dims the screen to save power. After enabling, make sure the Action Center icon reflects Battery Saver Active and Test by disconnecting power briefly. If settings don't stick, restart the laptop to apply changes and make sure your Windows and Dell power drivers are up to date. If problems persist, check Dell Power Manager or Device Manager for battery driver issues as a key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.